Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to boost your FPS on PlayStation 5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Boosting frames per second on PlayStation 5 primarily depends on optimizing settings within games themselves, as the PS5 typically optimizes performance automatically. However, here are some general tips to help you improve your PS5 FPS. Some games offer a performance mode option in their settings. This mode prioritizes FPS over graphics quality, providing smoother gameplay. To do this, go to the settings, then choose Save Data and Game App Settings, then go to Game Presets, then make sure to set Performance Mode or Resolution Mode to Performance Mode. Now, still on these settings, go to Screen and Video, then go to Video Output. Now, on Resolution, set and choose 720p. Lowering the resolution in game settings can sometimes improve FPS. This reduces the workload on the GPU. By following these tips, you can potentially boost FPS and improve overall gaming performance on your PlayStation 5. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.